Welcome to Grosmac Automatic, where baking meets innovation. Today, we're excited to showcase a revolutionary addition to our bakery equipment line, the Tubular Spiral Dough Rounder Pro. Designed for bakeries seeking efficiency and precision, this machine is the answer to perfect dough rounding. Let's explore the features that make the Tubular Spiral Dough Rounder Pro a must-have for any modern bakery. Capable of handling dough with 50% to 70% water content, this rounder is incredibly versatile. Whether you're working with artisan bread or soft rolls, consistency is guaranteed. Space efficiency is key. With its compact design, it fits perfectly even in smaller bakery spaces, maximizing your workspace. Say goodbye to flour dusting. Our innovative air system design eliminates the need for flour and prevents dough pinching, ensuring gentle rounding. From small rolls to large loaves, it can round dough pieces ranging from 40 to 2,000 grams plus, with various models available. Customize the finish to match your bakery's unique needs. Efficiency meets hygiene with our anti-adherent Teflon-Coated Spiral, making cleaning a breeze. Measuring 60 by 60 by 89 centimeters, with a weight of 320 kilograms, and equipped with a powerful 1.5 kW motor, this rounder is as robust as it is efficient. Offered at an unbeatable price, choose the Tubular Spiral Dough Rounder Pro that fits your bakery's budget and needs. Transform your dough rounding process with the Tubular Spiral Dough Rounder Pro. Visit our website or contact us to learn more and place your order. Grosmac Automatic, redefining bakery equipment with innovation and quality.